Hi everyone! Today I want to tell you about a very interesting discovery. This is a super minimalistic milk collector cup. It's literally just one soft container and, logically, a little lid that goes on top. To be honest, I have no idea how this thing is supposed to work, but let's try it together. So, as always, I place the cup tightly against the breast, and then I start squeezing and releasing it. Alright, let's see what happens. Well, what can I say? It's terrible. It's way too soft, it doesn't hold any suction, and the vacuum is basically non-existent. The milk is barely dripping in, and trust me, my letdown usually starts very quickly, so I don't even need strong suction. But for most women, this simply won't work. It's uncomfortable and incredibly slow. On top of that, you can't even keep the cup level, because the moment you straighten it, everything will spill. So you're forced to hold it at an angle, which means you'll never be able to actually fill it up. And when you squeeze the cup, the milk inside rises, giving you even less space. Honestly, I have no idea how long you'd have to pump to get anything meaningful out of it. So this is all I managed to collect today. I'm not continuing. There's no point. Long story short, don't waste your money on this pump. It's a complete disaster.